In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal to Facebook Marketplace. This is a quick and easy process that should take no more than 5 minutes of your time. By linking your PayPal account, you can make and receive payments on Facebook Marketplace seamlessly, which can enhance your buying and selling experience. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Facebook account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Facebook homepage. Enter your credentials, such as your email or phone number and your password, into the designated fields and click the Login button. Once you're logged in, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, you'll want to locate the menu icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. This icon often looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear, offering you a variety of options. From this drop-down, find and select the Orders and Payments option. This will direct you to the section of Facebook where you can manage your purchases and payment methods. Once there, look for an option that says Add Payment Method. Clicking on this will bring up a list of various payment methods you can add to your Facebook account. Now, among these options, locate and click on PayPal. Selecting PayPal will initiate the process of linking it to your account. You'll be prompted to enter your PayPal login information. Make sure you have your PayPal credentials handy and enter your email and password used for PayPal when prompted. After entering this information, click Log In. The next step involves authorizing the connection between Facebook and PayPal. PayPal will present you with a screen that asks for your permission to allow Facebook access to the funds in your PayPal account. It's important here to read through the terms and conditions carefully to understand what permissions you're granting. If you're comfortable with these terms, click the Agree or Authorize button to proceed. And that's it. With these steps, you should now have successfully linked your PayPal account to Facebook Marketplace. This means you'll be able to use PayPal for transactions made through Facebook, a convenient and secure way to handle payments. Remember, linking these accounts not only makes transactions easier, but also provides an additional layer of security since PayPal adds its own buyer and seller protections. By following these instructions, you're now ready to enjoy a smoother experience on Facebook Marketplace. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below.